Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an LG brand washing machine and you're getting a CL error code and you're wondering what it is and how to get rid of it. So first of all, CL is not an error code. It is simply the screen displaying on your washing machine that the child lock is activated. So when the child lock is activated, it's locked, so you can't do anything. You can't control it or anything like that. So generally, to get rid of this, there's two ways to get rid of this. Most of the time there's actually a child, depending on your model, there'll actually be a child lock button. So all you need to do to get rid of the CL is if you press and hold the child lock button for 3 seconds, it will get rid of it. Now it needs to be on, the machine needs to be turned on when you do that. So sometimes on some models, you can set it up so there are two buttons, like a sequence of two buttons that you need to press so that your kid can't figure it out and just turn the child lock off. There's a sequence of two buttons. That's model dependent. You'll just have to figure out which ones it is. But anyways, it's just a child lock. You just need to get the child lock turned off and your wash will be working again. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.